Video explaining the connection of power and air. First, we connect the two connecting wires. The connection wire has the dedicated holes and dedicated plugs. Let's plug them. Here are two major cores. Just plug it in. This is a small 3-core, big 4 cores. Just plug it in. And so it is here. This one is a connecting wire. Plug it in. Then this hole is a foot switch. This foot switch is operated by foot. Just plug it in. Then connect the air source. Then here is a gas switch. After connection, this is the turn off. This is the opening. And here is for blowing air. Cooling and temperature reduction. This is just bragging. Directly connected and adjust size. Adjust the size. Then the power cord was 220 volts. Here's the power cord. Video explanation of the machine structure. This is the downward pressure rod. This is a putter. This is the welding head. Then here is an emergency stop switch. Press the emergency stop button immediately when there is danger. Just twist it and it will come back. This is a device status. It's in standby or run mode. Then here is the air switch. This is to turn off the air. It's ventilation now. What's the pressure level here? Clockwise direction to increase the air pressure. Counterclockwise reduces. The adjustment is for the air pressure of this downward pressure rod. Then there is an air pressure here. It's the same here below. Increase clockwise. Reduce the air pressure here counterclockwise. Adjust the air pressure pushed over here. Then there is a speed adjustment here on these two arrows. What about this knob? Twist it out at this speed. This speed is accelerating. Twist it in. Turn it clockwise inside. The speed decreases when you twist it in. This side is also corresponding. This speed is set here. It is precisely this rate of decline. Then there is also a blower here. The size of the air blowing switch. The cooling inside this mold should be opened during mass production. Turning it outward means increasing the air intake. Twist it clockwise inward to reduce the blowing. Increase or decrease the blowing air. This is the main interface. Main interface can be adjusted. Adjust the amplitude here. This is the addition and subtraction of power size. Increase or decrease. You can directly click here to set it up. You can also directly click settings. Amplitude size adjustment. This is the magnitude of the power. Maximum 100%. Then this is the acoustic wave test. This is a wave of modes. This is the frequency. Reset. When the alarm is triggered, just click reset. This is the product zeroing. Long press it to reset. Long press to reset. Adjust the parameters. How to adjust the welding time? Just use the welding setting here. Enter this interface. Here, there is a time mode for adjusting parameters. Energy mode. Also external control mode. What we use are the time mode and the energy mode. Only in these two energy modes. You can choose between these two modes. Suppose I choose the time mode. The first delay is the startup. The time from startup to release is 0.5 seconds. This is the welding time. Adjust the parameters like this. The welding time depends on the actual situation. If it is not welded enough, just add a little more welding time. Pressure holding time. Just hold the pressure for 1 second after welding is completed. After pressing, there will be a second delay 0.3 second. Then it shook off. The product fell off and stuck to the mold. This time plus the pressurization time. Just leave it alone. Then there is also a welding data. Look here. Check it out here. Here are the historical data of welding. Look up and down here. Adjust the parameters here. There is also an energy mode. The energy mode only requires adjusting the energy. Fixed energy. Control energy. The time mode controls time. The energy mode is to control energy.